Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to review this Pindi Chhole. Now I bought this one from an Indian grocery store and I paid for it about $2.99. Now as you can see, this is 10.6 ounce and let's see. So this is the content inside. Pindi Chhole. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it, and this is not so much, so I'm gonna have to add 1 can of this, and I'm gonna have to cook about 10 to 15 minutes. So I will cook this one first 10-15 minutes, and then I will empty out this content into that and add tiny bit of salt and little bit of more spices to adjust it. But I had this before and it tastes really good, but you do need to add 1 more can of this if you want a sufficient one, because this package really doesn't have that much. Okay, now these are good for when you're traveling. You can carry it and you can have it in a motel or hotel somewhere, and you don't have to refrigerate it. You can just carry it with you and a pack of tortillas or some kind of bread, so which does not need to refrigerate. So you can have this at night time when you're tired and you don't want to go out and get dinner somewhere. You just want to eat something and sleep. So this is really good. So I'm gonna make it and show you how it turned out. So for $2.99 it is not bad, and you can just buy a pack of bread, but be sure to have another one of this handy so you can mix it and heat up. Now this could be microwavable if you heat up long enough, but I'm gonna do it on the oven. So I have emptied out the content from this, as you can see, and this is what I got. So you can see this is not much, so that's why I have to add 1 more can of chickpea to it and cook it again 10 minutes or so. So that will give some more volume. Other than that, I mean, this is enough. You want to have a couple of rotis, but still I would like a little bit more chickpeas to fill me up. And so I will add 1 more can of chickpeas cooked. I will cook it and then add to it and then heat up a little bit more. So you see, this is the final product after I added 1 can of chickpeas to this ingredient, to this pack of chickpea, and now it's sufficient for at least to fill your stomach. And you can add 2 bread to it, or you can add cilantro leaves on it, and then just enjoy it. Whatever you have, you're gonna have chopped scallion on top, chopped cilantro leaves. So yeah, it is pretty spicy though, so adding another can of chickpea actually covers up all the spiciness. But still, if you are sensitive to spicy food, then this is not for you, because this is really spicy. They have added sufficient amount of chili peppers, so adding 1 can of chickpeas, and if you have boiled potatoes you can add it, and if you're outside you can just double it on chickpeas. All you have to do is add little bit of salt if you do feel the need, but other than that, this is loaded up with salt and chili pepper. So this is a good option if you're outside and you need to eat something with bread, of course, because you cannot eat it by itself. It's really hot. So hot, I mean spicy. And then, so this is the final product. Yeah, I'll give it a go. I do love spicy food, so this is This is, even I like spicy food, but even though it is spicier for my taste, so adding another can of chickpea and some boiled potatoes would be awesome, and throw in some cilantro leaves on top. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and try. It's not that much. It's $2.99. If you like spicy food, if you are outside and you don't want to go to a restaurant and spend a whole lot of money, just want to eat a few pieces of bread with something and go to sleep, then this is for you. Thank you. Bye bye.